Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae right back at you with yet another video. As the thumbnail suggests, we are going to do a look today with the Jaclyn Heel and Morphe palette. This is Ring the Alarm. I picked this up yesterday, which was Saturday, at my local Ulta. Unfortunately, this is the only one that they have left. They didn't have the other three. I was super bummed out. But then again, that's what procrastination gets you. So I guess I'm going to order the other three online. And then once I get those, I will do an individual look for those as well. My absolute favorite four shadows, although all of them are quite pretty, are, let's see. We have Boom, which is a good one. Alert, I love Alert. I love Rush. Lolly is probably my top one. Then Bomb Ass. And then Secret over here. So I found this palette to be, it was decent. The colors took me a little bit to blend them out. Like Secret and Framed I did in the outer corners. It took a little bit to get it where I wanted it to, but it eventually worked for me. So I'm really happy with it. The price point is awesome. It does come with a mirror, which I think is perfect. I can definitely take this on the road. And I'll probably have to take another palette because these aren't enough blending or transition shades for me. But all in all, it's still a very good palette. So without further ado, let's get into it. Diamonds, I lost the footage of me applying my eyeshadow, but in the crease and right above I took a mixture of Alert and Rush, and then I also applied Bomb Ass with my finger, not a brush, because it applied horribly with the brush. Much better with your finger. And right now I am putting in the corners a mixture of Secret and Framed. Like I mentioned earlier, Secret and Framed were a bit of a task to get blended out pretty good for me. So here I am just plucking away at that. I actually blended longer than you actually see in the video. I didn't want to bore you with that. It honestly took me about 10 to 12 minutes to get it the way I wanted it to, which is much longer than I'd like to. Here I am applying Boss Ass with my finger. I did try it with a brush. Like I said earlier, it didn't go on like I liked it, but with your finger it went on much better. I did take a brush and just kind of even out those edges. That's what you see me do there, and now I am blending all of that out. Off camera, I did apply my lashes and my eyeliner. For my eyeliner, of course, I used my Stila Smudge Pot in black, and then for the lashes, I used Kiss Blowout Lash in Pixie. To switch it up a bit, I am going to prime my face with Benefit's The Professional Matte Rescue. I haven't used this in a bit, so I figured I'd pull it out. Now for my foundation, I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made in, I believe I am D70. To apply that, I'm going to use my Complexion Perfection Foundation Globe by IT Cosmetics, one of my absolute favorite foundation brushes. For my under eye concealer, I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and I am in the shade Hazelnut. To set my concealer, I am going to go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. I also use the same damp blending beauty blender that I used for my concealer. To contour, I did go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in Medium to Dark. Bronze with the Estee Edit, the Barest Bronzer in Medium Deep. For blush, I use my Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Blush in the color Toasted Almond. For my highlight, I use CSC's Melanin Glow Whipped Highlighter. All right, diamonds, for my lips, I am going to use my MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Choco Tease, my absolute favorite color in that lip line, and also Cafe Au Chic, I believe that is. All right, diamonds, and this is the completed look. Overall, I do like the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault palette, the Ring the Alarm. I do think that some of the shadows are harder to blend than others, but I can definitely look over it because I absolutely adore some of the colors. If you like this look, please go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and comment if you also have this palette. What is your favorite color? Your way out, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that as soon as I upload a video, you will definitely be notified. And diamonds, as always, until next time.